The United States government isn't even trying to hide their propaganda machine anymore. In a press release of what's supposed to be a nonpartisan department of the government, the Department of the Treasury, and the IRS, they are clearly showing their political bias. As you can see in the very first sentence here, as part of the Biden-Harris administration's implementation of the Bipartisan Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act, the U.S. Department of the Treasury and the Internal Revenue Service today released proposed regulations on the sale and exchange of digital assets by brokers, in an effort to crack down on tax cheats while helping law-abiding taxpayers know how much they owe on the sale or exchange of digital assets. Friends, I can assure you that this has absolutely nothing to do with actually helping taxpayers. But what I want to break into is this part right here, the Bipartisan Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act. Let's take a look. Okay, so 228 people in the House voted yay, 206 voted nay. That doesn't seem very bipartisan to me. And in the Senate, 69 voted yay and 30 voted nay. Okay, let's take a look at who voted nay. I don't see a single Democrat that voted nay on this when grouped by position. That's crazy to me. Obviously not very bipartisan. And in the House, only 2 Republicans in the House voted yay on this. The rest voted nay. Not a single nay in the House by Democrats. Seems pretty bipartisan if you ask me. But let's get back to exactly what this is, because it could mean death for decentralized finance here in the United States. The proposed regulations, which are open for public comment and feedback until October 30th. And friends, I highly encourage everybody to go and put public comments in on this and tell the United States government how sick and tired of their overreach you are. Get out there and have your voice heard. Would require brokers of digital assets to report certain sales and exchanges. The proposed regulations would clarify and adjust the rules regarding the tax reporting of information by brokers so that brokers for digital assets are subject to the same information reporting rules as brokers for securities and other financial instruments. Okay, let's break this down in layman's terms. If you're a decentralized finance protocol or a lending platform in DeFi, you now have to do KYC AML protocols for every single person on your platform. You have to report that information to the IRS, and you have to require forms for every single person in the United States that has used your platform so that they can file their taxes accordingly. The United States Congress is allowed to take backdoor meetings all the time, but they can't even trust its own citizens to file their taxes properly. How about this? I've got a great idea. You tell us what we owe on taxes, and we'll pay it at the end of each year. Why is it that the rules from the government always feel like for thee, but not me? Why is it that some of the richest people on earth are the ones that are making decisions for the middle and lower class society? The founder of DYDX put out a tweet yesterday that's gone viral talking about the political landscape of crypto here in the United States. And here's what he had to say. Crypto builders should just give up serving US customers for now and try to re-enter in 5 to 10 years. It's not really worth the hassle and compromises. Most of the market is overseas anyways. Innovate there, find product market fit, then come back with more leverage. Let me first be clear on my goals for crypto and where I believe we're at right now. In the grand scheme of things, barely anyone uses or cares about crypto today. I personally don't care about any outcome except growing crypto 100x long term. He goes on further to talk more about the product market fit and how overseas is a better landscape right now. But the point was made. The US is just not a good place for crypto right now. And that's a sad reality. 5 years ago, it felt like the US was the best place to be building. Today, it's a pretty hellish landscape. I'm going to go ahead and encourage everybody out there that watches this video to not only go and place comments on that post that the IRS puts out, But also share this video, get this to as many people out there as possible. We need to wake up the legislators in this country and let them know that we're not okay with this type of restrictive legislation. If we want to stifle innovation, if we want to go back 10 years on technology, then we should absolutely continue down this path. But if we want to be pioneers in this space, we need to be more hands-off and let technology take its course. If you agree and you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and again, share this with as many people as possible. That's going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Crypto Clay, out.